Assalamualaikum. As an instructor, creating new documents in Microsoft Word is a critical skill that you will need to master. Whether you're preparing teaching material, writing instruction, or creating assignment for your audience, Microsoft Word provides a powerful and user-friendly platform to get the job done. In this tutorial, we will show you how to open a file or document and open a PDF for editing in Microsoft Word from the instruction point of view. So let's get started. Earliest, we have introduced open a file. When opening a file, lets you resume working on a document that you have saved from earlier or that someone else has created and shared with you. Open a document. While you can open a document by double clicking its icon in Windows, you can also browse and open files from within Word. Step by step, which process we have done. First, click the File tab. After that, click Open. The Open screen appears, giving you a few ways to find a document. After that, select a location. There are given below, which is first one, recent display a list of a document that you have recently opened, and second one is shared with me, will show documents that others have shared with you through your Office 365 account. The third one is your OneDrive and SharePoint sites will let you browse through the files stored on those cloud servers if you have them. The fourth one is this PC lets you browse through the document, folder or files. And the fifth one is clicking Browse open a dialog box where you can browse through your computer's folders, drives and network shares. The main fourth one is select the file you want to open. The select file open, that is tips from the browser dialog box. You will need to click to open button after selecting the file. The second criteria is open a PDF file for editing in addition to opening Word regular file format. You can also open a PDF documents for editing. How can I edit? The first one or first point is click the File tab. Second, click Open. Third, select and open a PDF file. Open a PDF file for editing. A dialog box appears explaining that opening a PDF in Microsoft Word converts it to a Word document and open it as a copy. You will be able to edit the text, but some formatting and graphics may look different. The fourth point is click OK. A copy of the PDF is converted into an editable document and it opens so that you can edit the text. That's it for this Microsoft Word video tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in getting started with using Microsoft Word. Remember to practice and explore the different functions to get a better understanding of what Microsoft Word can do. Any question or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you again in our next tutorial.